What is van life insurance? In the simplest terms possible, a van life insurance is a policy designed to cover the van lifer under a specific set of circumstances against damage to property, total loss, or bodily injury. Van life insurance works just like any other specific insurance policy, like a home insurance, except it is considered that your van is moving and may be subjected to additional risks compared to a stationary house.
Why do I need van life insurance? In most states, it's required by law to cover a certain amount of your liability. More importantly, your rig is an asset. It costs money to buy and it costs money to run. There's a certain value attached to it. And in the event of an accident, your van life insurance will ensure that you're indemnified. That is, that you're compensated to the worth of the loss. Aside from a small deductible, having adequate van life insurance means you won't struggle to replace your van or rectify any damage as the funds will be supplied.
What is Class A and Class B? Class A RVs, also known as motorhomes, are large living quarters built on a bus or a truck chassis. These huge behemoths can often sleep 6 or even 8 people, and they can weigh up to 30,000 pounds. Class A's are desirable for their amenities. Fully fitted kitchens with top-rated appliances, spacious bathrooms, or even potentially a wet room, and plenty of living space. These machines are perfect for full-time van life and are comfortable for large families as well. Add to this the ability to tow a trailer or even another vehicle with a Class A motorhome, and you can see why they are so popular. The downside of the Class A is the low miles per gallon, and the size may be an impediment in some parking situations. Some states require commercial truck licenses as well. Class Bs are built on a van chassis and are smaller, more compact, and more drivable. Fitting usually into one parking space, these camper vans are also kitted out with everything a van lifer would need, but in a much smaller area. Most stealth vans are Class B as well, due to their size and ability to blend in as an ordinary van, especially in built-up and metropolitan areas. They also get much better miles per gallon than a Class A. The downside of a Class B van? Limited living space is the only thing we can think of. Class B make the best camper van conversions, are easily sourced, and can be affordable. Class C is also a category of motorhome, smaller than Class A, but bigger than Class B. Class Cs are those cute little motorhome vans, like mini Winnebagos, and are very modest and tidy looking. Basically, Class C vans are smaller versions of Class A, still full of facilities, just contained in a smaller space.
Where can I get quotes for van life insurance? You can shop around for van life insurance at all the usual agencies, but most won't cater to the intricacies of van life. Your quotes might be astronomical, and underwriters can't insure what they don't understand, so you may find that your needs are simply tacked on to a pre-existing policy form. For example, you may end up with a standard vehicle policy and a couple of extra amendments and coverages listed individually. We advise against adding your van to an existing policy. You may pay over the odds without getting the more comprehensive quotes.
Can I get full-time RV insurance? If your van is your primary residence for more than 6 months of the year, you are eligible for full-time van life insurance. Some companies, though, simply refuse to issue a quote for van life. Ask around to find the best deal.
What about my self-built camper van conversion? How insurable is that? Your self-built conversion is insured in the very same manner as a factory-built van. Be sure to keep all of your receipts for the items used in the conversion, invoices for work carried out and labor costs, and take photographs of the appliances and fittings. You will need these to prove the overall worth of the van and determine the insurance limits required.
What exactly is van owner rental insurance, and why do I need that too? Van life insurance is a must for those who travel by camper van. But if you are considering renting your van for extra income, you will be required to have specific rental insurance policy. Romley issues van owner rental insurance to owners just like you, and in conjunction with the unique van rental platform Outdoorsy, they cover all aspects of camper van rentals. These personalized policies mean you are fully insured from the moment your renter drives your van away to the very moment that they return. Fully customizables and tailored to suit your individual situation, Roamly insures more than your van life adventure. It can also ensure your renters have the time of their lives in return for more.
Is it possible to get all the required insurance coverage in just one policy? And how? The answer to your van life insurance needs is easy, affordable, and only 60 seconds away. Simply log on to roamly.com, click Get a Quote, complete the online form, and select your coverage. But be prepared for savings up to 25% compared to the competition. With Roamly, you're free to live your best van life and rent your rig when it's not in use. What's not to love?